Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to locate archived emails in Gmail. So if you have certain inboxes you may have archived, I'm going to show you guys how to go about locating them. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select all mail on the left side here, and then all your mail items should appear in this list over here on the right, and then you can search in the mail up here at search form for any specific emails you're looking for. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you wanted to actually archive any emails, you could just right click on the item in your normal inbox and select archive. But like I said, it will still appear underneath all mail. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.